while repairing the aromatic suspension by replacing the compressor and trying to figure out why my command unit isn't working, I decided to replace my windshield wipers, the blades. These have had it. They have everything on them that you need to know. First off, you got that right there. That lets you know it's official. And this right here, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's yellow. At least you could see it in the reflection. It's yellow. That one's yellow too. That means they're done. They start out with a black circle, and as they get closer to yellow, and this is pale yellow right here, so these things are done. Let's go ahead and change them. Here is what you will need. If you look up part numbers and they give you some like Bosch talking about OE replacement, don't do that. That's not OE. This is OE. Mercedes part number. This is the most genius, simple design that I have ever seen. Let me open this box. Here we have the new wiper blades. Look at these things. These things are beefy, man. These things are beefy. Okay, so first off, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the blade is covered. That you usually get the blade cover, but I just wanted to point it out. Right there, you got the mark. That's the mark that you gotta have, and shows you that it's legit right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go, see? It's got a drawing of a finger scratching that off to show that the color should be black, I believe, until it changes to this yellow when you know you need to replace it. So let's see how these operate. This is how simple and genius these are. Simple. Just lift it up, twist a little bit, and just pull on it. You just pull and it comes right out. There's a hole here and there's a shaft over there. It's a twist and put on the windshield sort of thing. And this car handles over 100 miles an hour windshield wipe with no issues. With no issues whatsoever. So right, stick it on there. There it is. Right, pull off. This is so elegant, right? You pull off the protective thing, it bounced into place. Did you guys see that? Okay, now we gotta peel this guy off. Okay. I'm trying to see it, but yeah, there it is. It's black. Yeah. Okay. And then you just simply place it on your windshield. These are made specifically for this windshield. These are like, I think they're like 27 or 28 inch. The model number, the part number that it comes with, it's made for this car. They say that it molds to the windshield perfectly, and I like the sound of that. I'm not gonna lie. So, same thing here. Pull off, pull off. This is just unbelievable. Pleasant process. It just bounces right into place. I like that. Okay. We got the protective shield off the blade. Got the sticker off. Okay, and we place it on the windshield. And that's all there is to it. Mercedes wiper blades for a Mercedes S-Class. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you on the next one.